Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Guys, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from the very beginner level. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So at first I am going to open the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is. Then I will run the OSK, that means on screen keyboard, so that you can notice which keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open. Today we are going to learn how to count the cells which have numeric values. So suppose you have a data file like this. Here you need to know that how many of the cells that contains a numeric value. Like this, here we can count 1, 2 and 3. So what you will do if the data file is very long? Then you have to put a simple formula just like that. In my case, data range will be B4 colon B8, that means this range. I will find the numeric values in this range only. So simply type the formula in E4 cell. The formula will be equals to count, 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 then first bracket open, then give the data range here. Simply type B4 colon B8. So look at here friends, the data range has been selected. Now put the bracket close, then simply hit the enter. Here it is. You get the result like that. You can put the formula like this. Here B, instead of B8 you can put any number. That will get the same results. And here I have given the B1600. So the data range has been now B1600. That's all. It's that much easy. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.